To cancel your Rocket Money Premium subscription, follow these steps. Access subscription settings. Open the Rocket Money app on your smartphone or visit the Rocket Money website. Log into your account using your username and password. Navigate to subscription details. Find a section in your account settings related to subscriptions or premium membership. Look for details about your Rocket Money Premium subscription, including the renewal date and payment method. Cancellation option. Locate the option to cancel your subscription. This may be labeled as Cancel Premium Membership and Subscription or similar. Confirm cancellation. Click on the cancellation option and follow any on-screen prompts or instructions to confirm your decision. You may need to provide a reason for canceling. Verify cancellation. After confirming, verify that your Rocket Money Premium subscription has been successfully canceled. Look for a confirmation message or email from Rocket Money. Check billing. Monitor your billing statements to ensure that you are no longer being charged for the premium subscription. If necessary, contact Rocket Money customer support for assistance with any billing issues.